Hello. To start screen recording, please press Shift, Command, and number 5 together. That will fire up Mac's QuickTime screen recording session and you will be presented with the following menu to control your screen recording parameters. You may choose to capture the entire screen, select a specific application that you would like to record, or capture a selected portion of your screen. You may also choose the microphone that you would like to use for audio input in case you have external microphones. Otherwise, your default microphone will be chosen. You can also set a delay to your screen recording session should you like. In our case, we're setting the delay to 5 seconds. That's pretty much all there is to it. To stop the recording session, please press the tiny little square icon in your tray bar above. Keep in mind that the built-in screen recording in Mac does not give you an opportunity to pause while recording. You can't take a break and continue later. The resulting file format is not MPEG but a QuickTime file that is usually a large file. Also, the built-in screen recording for Mac does not allow you to narrate your recording with a video of you talking as you record. This screen recording of a screen recording for Mac was done in Stork. Stork is free to use. Thank you for watching.